consuming nutrition-rich food is our priority. So consuming nutrition-rich diet is a cornerstone of our daily lifestyle. The choice we make when it comes to food,
it helps us. Bolo.
Significantly impact our overall well-being. Well-balanced and wholesome diet is not only fuels our body with necessary nutrients, but also maintaining our healthy weight, promoting mental well-being, and reducing the risks of other diseases. Now, I would like to welcome Atul Patel for telling me the values of our division.
Okay, so hello to all within here. I am on behalf of class of 10 here to introduce you with our dishes. So in main course, we have veg Swiss roll. The veg Swiss roll has very amazing, delightful taste. Okay, next we have a made by Chef Kavya, a special dish, sushi. Okay. Sushi was the best dish of our restaurant and then special one. Okay, then we come to appetizer, which has pulse khichdi. It was new, pulse khichdi. With mixture of many fruits and the masala, we made pulse khichdi, which was amazing in the taste. At last in beverages, we have a pulse khichdi, made with the help of pulse coffee, which has enthusiasm taste and it can increase your immunity, your energy. Thank you.
Food, as you already know about that, it is very important and it is very vital for our life. Today, let me tell you few important uses like why we should eat healthy and nutritious. So first of all, the main thing is here that the food, it is like the basic part of our life. It helps us to keep ourselves stronger and it helps us to keep our immunity boosted all the time. See, the main thing is here that if there is no food in our life, then we cannot do anything because it is only the thing which gives us energy in our daily life. So this was all about the
लास्ट ग्रुप के में -5 कर देना बोल रही है इनके -5 कर दो
Okay, ma'am.
Food is a need of your life. This is why we use energy and why we need work. So healthy food is very important for our life because by which we gain nutrients and by which our mental health and physical health improves. This is by which our my teammates and I make some dishes here. We have three sections like fruits, desserts and vegetables. I am Alaka. In front of you today, I will share with you all the benefits of healthy food, and we have prepared some of the healthy food right now. First, it's healthy food for our life. When we know our health as it is very good for many people have diabetes and other diseases as well. So I would like